Hi friends, today we are going to see the job opportunity for the driver and as well as for the cooking purpose. So the job is located out of Bangalore. It's in Chidambaram. So the Chidambaram, so their construction company is located over there. So you have to take the client from there to visiting sites, and for site visits or for construction purpose, the client will be going and coming. You have to work over there. You have to stay there only, and you have to work. The food will be provided from the client side only, and the accommodation also will be given from the client side. So that salary will be like 17,000 per month, and there won't be like a driver bata that and all. Timings also from morning to evening will be. Night time and all the duty won't be there, so only the daytime duties will be there. So week off or Sundays leave, that will be given by the client only, any one of the day in the week. If they are free enough, so they will give you the week off. You can take rest on that particular day, then you can continue the work. So the car have to be maintained by you only. You have to clean the car and keep in a good condition, and so dressing code and all should be maintained. You have to wear the shoe. So it's like a private limited company, so you have to be well dressed. And one more job opportunity is in for same place only for cooking purpose. So the client is from Malaysia, so they are working over here in a construction company, so they required a cook. So the cook, they should prefer in a Malaysian style food is very important, so they should have that style of preparing the food. So there's food and accommodation, everything will be given there only for them also. And like salary will be from starting from 15 to 17,000. The salary will be given to the cooking person also. So, and the driver should be good qualified, and he should be professional enough. So the out of station, they will be going like the foreigners clients and all will be coming. You have to go and pick up the client from the airport and visiting to the sites. Everything will be done. That and all we should take care by the driver only. He should be professional enough. Okay, thanks.